Hey, welcome. My name's Anita, and I have got a new pen video for you today. It's a new pen day. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. It is an Atlas Stationers exclusive. It is the Delta Duna, and let's not waste any time so y'all can see this bad boy. Let's go. I am so excited for this pen. This is a limited, let's get it right, a limited edition. Did I say that right? It sounds weird right now. Anyway, it's a limited one. It is a numbered limited edition. I've got number 51. I think there are 150 pens produced. I picked out a medium nib because that's my go-to when I'm trying a new brand. And I am so excited. I'm so excited. Oh no, casualty over there. So yes, I'm going to insert a picture here of, I guess I'll call it my grail pen. It's not really, but it is. I just like the way it looks. And so I am good if I get another pen. It doesn't have to be the Leonardo Momento Zero Grande in Mother of Pearl, but if it has that look, I am good. So I picked up a pen a couple months ago, which is kind of, having that kind of swirly vibe, but the colors aren't there, but I still love it. And it's Leonardo, but this is closer, and I'm excited. So let's just open the box, for goodness sake. Okay, how do I go in here? I'm so excited. I looked at it. Yeah, I looked. I couldn't wait. I just had to take a peek. I just saw earlier today Terry's unboxing drawings and scribblings here on the YouTube. And I was like, oh, it's so pretty. Here's mine. Look, y'all. I'm so excited. Let's get it out of the plastic. Oops. I am so excited. Look. This is, again, Delta Pens. It is a brand that was established, I forget how long ago. It went away in the late 2010s and came back, I believe, in 2022. And yeah, I love this resin. It is from Carolina Pen, Jonathan Brooks. I saw this resin at the pen show and I was like, I want a pen with that. And I figured I would be getting it from him directly, but then when I saw this, I got excited. Okay. Anyway, they've got the usual warranty and stuff like that, which I am not bothered by right now. I just want to show you the pen. This is so pretty. It is so pretty. And I am so excited. Okay, where's my little pen thingy? Let's get this out. This is so lovely. This is a piston filler. It's an Atlas Stationers exclusive. And I've got a medium nib. Look at this. Can you see it? It's not flashy. It's very classic. And on here it tells you, which is hard for me to see it, Delta something else, 2024 something else. I can't read it. Limited edition, 2024 limited edition. And then it says 051 out of 150. And what does it say there? Delta and Atlas. Yes, okay. I managed to see it. Thank you. My eyes came through. Okay, let's compare this to a few other pens in my collection that maybe y'all are familiar with. If you're not familiar with the Delta Duna, which I'm not familiar with it, I am familiar with the Delta brand. So, let's see. I have got out of the way box. I've got an Esterbrook Estie. Look at that. I love this. Oh, I'm so excited. Yeah, I've got my currently inked pens. A Leonardo Momento Zero Grande. Do I have my regular size Leonardo? Yes. So, because they're very familiar, similar. Please excuse me if I'm a little bit out of sorts. Yeah, they're very similar in size. Okay, we'll move Estie out of the way. They look similar, but the Estie is a cigar shape, so it looks longer. TWSBI Eco, that's an Eco tea. And move the Leonardo. Those could be like, you know, cousins or siblings. This is a Jinhao Centennial 100. Those are very similar in size, except the finials on this pen are conical and these are flat. One more. Move you over. And this is a Jinhao 82, which I'm told is similar in size to a Pro Gear Slim, which I do not own, and I probably won't because it's just too small, and for a pen to be so expensive, you know, for me, and be so small for my hand, it doesn't make sense to buy a pen like that. Maybe one of the bigger ones, like a 1911 or a King of Pen or something, but that's for some other time in life. But this is how these all line up, and let's see, I'll move Leonardo Momento Zero Grande out of the way because it's just not vibing with the others. Let's uncap what's left and see how they line up with the Delta. Okay, don't mind me with the crochet hook. I just wanted to grab something and point because I tend to knock things around. When you line up the sections, you can see, I believe these are number 6 size nibs. I am no expert, but and I didn't look. I'm just excited about the pen. Okay, so if you need all the technical stuff, I'm not your girl at this point in life. Maybe down the road, but not right now. We're totally visual right here. So anyway, these two are very similar, but the Leonardo here is shorter because this is a cartridge converter pen and the Delta is a piston filler, so it's longer, which is cool, but from the section on down, they are very, very similar. This is a little bit more of like a milk bottle shape, and this is a little bit straighter. But otherwise, yeah, and the threads are a little bit lower down on this one than on the Leonardo, but otherwise, they're really quite similar. The Jinhao Centennial 100 that compares pretty nicely. This is going to be a comfortable pen. I already could see, you know, based on what it looked like, that it was going to be good. It was going to be similar to the Leonardo, and it looks very true. This is also a comfortable pen. This is just so tiny over here. It's like the baby starter pen. But it's cool. I love it for jotting, but it's very small. I believe this is a number 5 nib on this one. And the TWSBI Eco, as it lines up, very small. I think, do I have ink in here? I do. Let's not make a mess. Put that closer. This one closer. But it's very interesting how they line up. The sections are all lined up together. Yeah, the TWSBI nib is a little smaller, which I don't know. I have mixed emotions about it, but I love TWSBIs. And it's only when I see it compared to other pens that I don't take it for what it is. But, you know, I can only write with one at a time. So I'm not thinking about the nib being a little small for my personal preference. But yeah, total observations. Anywho, yes, the Delta is also pretty similar to the Esterbrook Estie. The section's slightly shorter, at least so far as where the threads are. The threads on the Estie are up here. They're lower there. But yeah, where you would put your hand is very similar. And the Estie is just a bit shorter. But again, it's just the shape of the pen. But these nibs are all very similar. That one, I forget what this has. I don't stress $15 pens. I hope nobody really does. Just my personal opinion there again. But yeah, so this is them all uncapped. And I don't post any of these pens except the Jinhao 82 because otherwise it's just a little too short for my hand. And I would not be posting a piston filler unless it's specifically made to post, which maybe this is. Let's see real quick. Oh yeah, it bypasses the piston knob and goes over the pen very nicely. So this pen can be posted, but no, I won't be that one. Posting their pen. Is it secure? No, it's a little loose. And for my hand, this is how I hold my pen, a little crazy. It doesn't need to be posted. It's long enough. Slightly, it feels slightly short. I don't know. It just could be me holding something that looks different. It's the same as this. I like the way this feels better. This is a little bit narrower when you get closer to the nib. Again, just personal preference. And I am going to give my new baby a quick rinse, and we will give her a quick test ride and do a little writing sample. So I'll be right back with that. Okay, I'm going to do my absolute best not to make a mess. I hope not. I'm going to dip test, I think. No, I think I'll just ink it. Ooh, that's pretty. That's pretty. It almost looks like it's glowing. Wow. I don't know if this is really coming across. It is so pretty. As I said, this is the red abalone resin by Jonathan Brooks, and I'll leave a link for this pen. I picked it up at Atlas, and you can use my discount code Anita 10 to get 10% off this beautiful pen. But if you miss it or decide this isn't quite for you, but you like the resin, Jonathan Brooks at Carolina Pen has other pens that he makes himself, and you could possibly pick up one of those with this resin. So let's ink this. It's so pretty. Yeah, I'll do a partial fill. Did I get it in enough? I don't think I did. I just don't want to get ink all over the section. That's better. I got a little bit, but it's fine. I should have dip tested it, but no, it's fine. I have faith that everything's gonna work out just great. This is such a pretty blue. Oh my goodness. Okay, got my currently inked journal, and let's see if I got ink in this bad boy. Looks like it's doing good. I'm just kind of feeling what the nib is doing. It feels good. I don't feel anything scratchy, which is awesome. And this is the Delta Duna medium nib. Red abalone. And it's inked with Waterman inspired blue. There's some feedback, but that's cool. I like the feedback. I don't know if you could hear it because I changed the setting on my phone to kind of tamp down the background noise, but I like it. This is going to be a good time. And there's not much ink in it, and maybe I'll leave it this way or maybe I'll change the ink. I don't know, but it feels good. I like the feedback. This is such a good time. And it looks close to the mother of pearl, but it's different and it's pretty, which is what I really care about. I want a pen that writes well and looks good while doing it. And I think I've got a winner. So yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, let me write new pen day because I probably will forget all about revisiting this. New pen day. And today is what? Is it the 13th? Yes. 5/13/2024. I'm so psyched. I love this pen. It's such a pretty pen. And like I said, I don't really have a grail pen. I just have pens that I like, that I wouldn't mind having, but none of this is stressful to me. But this one has taken up space in my head, the mother of pearl. And this is close to it, closer than the Leonardo I picked up at the end of March, which kind of had the same kind of energy. Oh, it's so pretty. I love that. So I may never have the mother of pearl Leonardo, and that's okay. I'm not gonna, lose any sleep over any of this, but it looks nice and it writes well, and that's all that matters to me. So thank you if you made it to the end of this video. And I've got a currently inked that's just up, and honestly I think I'm going to add this to my lineup this month. And I will see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.